Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Double D's Quickie Reviews for me and you. How do you do? Boo. Today we're going to be talking about a figure I got for my birthday. I turned 48. I'm an old man. Anyways, my father sent me a gift card. And one of the things I got was Batman. The classic Adam West classic TV series Batman from McFarlane. Now this isn't like the other one, which is kind of short. This one is full size. Apparently, Jill and the grandkids are going to go pick up their brothers. I love my grandkids. I'm sorry. Anyways, this one is actually taller. And the accessories, of course, the batarang, which I've never actually seen them use in the show, and the walkie-talkie, and some spare hands, which look, frankly, the new spare hands, they look weird. They look like he's wearing, like, worse gloves than me. Apparently, you can win a Batman cowl. I mean, I never enter those things because I can't win anything. But what do you say we get it open and take a look? Oop. Now, they keep saying that he has to do weird versions of characters because he can't get the right. But, I mean, this is freaking Adam West Batman. He got it right, too. Where the hell is my accurate cyborg Superman? McFarlane could do so much, but he just refuses. Fuck you, McFarlane. Apparently I have a retro sweepstake card instead of a card. I may enter that. I haven't decided yet. Who knows? Probably already expired. Let's see. When is the sweepstakes? 2/8/25. Oh, well, I still have time. Ooh, look at that. It's a cool little view on the back. I'll be probably entering that. Set that off to the side so I don't forget it. And of course, he also comes with, god damn it, open up. Ah. A stack base. Now, I won't take the accessories out because I will lose them. Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't see that. But, I don't want to do that. So I'll leave them in there until I put those in plastic. Until I find something to put them in. Ouch. And yeah, there's a lot of little nubs holding them in. Okay. There we go. Now, the thing that caught my attention just now was the cloth cape. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm not a big fan of long capes on the Adam West Batman because he never had a long cape. His was always like mid-knee, right below the knees, so he could jump into action and stuff. So that, Adam West could, move better. It looks like basically just a normal Batman body. They may have redone the arms right here. As you can see cloth movement there. And of course an all new head with Adam West. I don't know what body was used. The belt buckles are upside down. Now I know in the TV show they were always on the other side because it was weird. But there he is. He looks cool. You can put the cape any way you want to. You can stretch it right out there. Kind of not moving the way I wanted it to. The wires are kind of stiff. All in all, look okay, the buck body is a bit much, but the overall look works. I do recommend him if you're a fan of Adam West, may he rest in peace, or you just like Batman and you need this particular Batman for your movie wall, which is what I'm basically doing now, all the Batman from all the movies. And what do you think of him? What Batman do you want to see done? Because you know he's going to do them all. And why can't we seem to get a TV Shazam or a George Reeve? Come on. I'll take a Christopher Reeve. Let me know down in the comments below. And if he makes him a platinum, he should be fucking killed. Okay, not killed. My bad. That's a little too far. He should be slapped with a fish. Repeatedly slapped with a cod in the face. That might be considered cruelty to animals because he's a dip. Anyways, what do you think of this figure? I mean, the cape is just wrong to me. And the body is kind of too Batman-y. Is that right, what I want to say? I mean, Adam West was well built. I mean, he was strong. He physically in very good shape. That's what I want to say. For the time. I mean, they weren't overly bulgy, muscly. They were just fit. This body just looks generic. But the head is spot on. That's the best part. Spot on head. Oh, why does that sound so wrong? Anyways, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Oh, I was hoping to find an anchor or something back there. That would have been cool. A little can of shark repellent. Oh, whoops. Let me know what you think down below. And with that, I'd say thank you for watching this quickie review, which was quickie for me and you. And y'all have a nice night. Be good to each other. With that, I give you double D. Wait, did I say like, share, and subscribe and leave a comment below? Do that.